Welcome to the Good Tidings. I'm thrilled to have you join us today. You, our amazing community, are the reason this channel thrives. If you're new here, you've found your home for insights that spark curiosity and growth. Our channel is your destination for sustainable, ethical, and practical insights that inspire personal and professional growth. And before we dive into today's topic, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It's a small click for you, but a huge leap for us. All right, let's get colorful. Today, we're exploring color, one of the most magical and complex aspects of our world. From the vibrant red of the sunset to the calming blue of the ocean, color isn't just a visual experience. It's the intersection of physics, biology, and psychology. Understanding color science is reshaping technology, medicine, and how we connect with the world around us. Let's start with the basics, the physics of color. Did you know that what you perceive as color is actually light? Light is a form of electromagnetic radiation that travels in waves. Each color corresponds to a specific wavelength of light. For example, red light has the longest wavelength, about 700 nanometers, while violet has the shortest, around 380 nanometers. Together, these wavelengths form the visible spectrum, a tiny fraction of the entire electromagnetic spectrum. When light hits an object, some wavelengths are absorbed and others are reflected. What our eyes perceive as color is the wavelength that's reflected. A red rose appears red because its petals absorb all other wavelengths except red, which bounces back to your eyes. Now let's talk about how our eyes and brain work together to interpret these wavelengths. Inside your eyes are specialized cells called cones. These cones are your personal color detectors. Most people typically have three types of cone cells: S cones, which detect blue light, M cones, which respond to green light, and L cones, which pick up red light. The signals from these cones mix together, giving us the ability to perceive millions of colors. Isn't that incredible? The distribution of cone types varies slightly among individuals, which is why some people may see colors differently than others. Not everyone sees the world in the same way. Around 8% of men and 0.5% of women experience some form of color blindness. The most common type is red-green color blindness, where distinguishing between these two hues becomes tricky. Then there's achromatopsia, complete color blindness, which is extremely rare. People with this condition see the world in shades of gray. While most of us take color for granted, understanding these differences can help us create more inclusive designs and technologies. Color isn't just about physics and biology, it's deeply psychological. Did you know that the colors around us can influence how we feel and even the decisions we make? For example, blue evokes calmness and trust, which is why it's often used in hospitals and banks. Red stimulates excitement and urgency, making it a favorite for restaurants and sales signs. But here's the twist. Color meanings can vary between cultures. In Western societies, white often symbolizes purity, while in some Eastern cultures, it signifies mourning. Color is more than visual, it's cultural. Now let's dive into how color science shapes our modern world. Digital displays. Screens on phones and TVs use the RGB system, red, green, and blue light, to create the full spectrum of colors we see. Medicine. Devices like pulse oximeters use light wavelengths to measure your blood's oxygen levels. Printing. The CMYK system, cyan, magenta, yellow, and black inks, creates colors by absorbing specific wavelengths, the opposite of how screens work. Color isn't just pretty, it's powerful. The future of color science is brighter than ever. Scientists are developing gene therapies to treat color blindness, potentially allowing people to see the full spectrum of colors for the first time. And technologies like quantum dots are revolutionizing display screens, making them more energy efficient while offering unparalleled color accuracy. Virtual reality systems are also pushing the boundaries. creating immersive worlds that feel incredibly real. The future of color is about to get even more vibrant. So, what's the takeaway? Color isn't just a visual experience, it's a language of nature, a collaboration between physics, biology, and psychology. By understanding the science of color, we unlock a deeper appreciation of the world around us and open doors to groundbreaking innovations. Now, here's a question for you. What's your favorite color, and how does it make you feel? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your perspective. Thank you so much for being here and for being part of the Good Tidings community. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and visit our blog, www.quantuma.thegoodmorningdewpub.com, for more inspiring stories. Until next time, stay curious and stay colorful.